Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Prado 150 series, stock reference number 4068. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 and is the current shape. It has a 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained a rollover. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front is a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have one small dent. Spare wheel cover. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, rear headrests, second row in grey cloth, and an instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.